Hello and welcome to a short video recipe on what to do when you receive an error message whilst using Bookalope. In this video we will walk through what the error screen means and how to resolve it. Let's get started. If at any point of your journey using Bookalope you encounter a screen with an error message, this means you've likely encountered a bug in our system. This triggers an automated alert for our team who will jump in to figure out where things have gone wrong. You'll receive an email notification acknowledging the failure and letting you know that our team has been made aware of the error. No need to contact us yourself. All you need to do is hang tight, knowing that we're taking care of the issue. Once the issue has been resolved, you'll receive an email update from our team prompting you to go back into your Bookflows library and press on the Restart button on the right-hand side of the failed Bookflow. Pressing the Restart button will restore your manuscript to its original state when you first uploaded it to Bookalope. In other words, it'll restart your Bookflow from scratch. This should allow you to move forward with your review and conversion without encountering any errors. That's it. If you want to access more detailed information on how to use Bookalope to its fullest potential, you can find more short tutorials on how to use our tools on our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can also find these in our online manual page. You'll find all the relevant links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.